good, YouTube? So today we are installing a C&L catch can. This man right here is gonna be doing all the work. Let's get a close up on him. Mechanic from New York, you already know what it is. I don't know how these mechanics from New York work, but what do you think? How is it so far?
It's going good. Just take note, if you got the performance pack Mustang, you have to make sure that you lower the catch can to the second hole below, so this can still work out.
Bam.
Other than that, just getting ready to put the hoses on and be good to go.
Oh yeah. All right, to the next part. Here it is. Sketchville. Oh, it came off that easy? That's crazy. Alright, next part. Now what's next? What's the next step?
Alright, we're gonna reinstall these fittings on here, one on the valve cover, one on the intake, and then just measure up our hoses and put them on.
Cool. Alright, now he's up to the part where he's hooking up the hose. As you can see, it's pretty simple to actually set this thing up, it seems. So, it should only take probably 30 minutes total, everything. If you just get straight to the point. But yeah, so far so good. Alright, so it's all marked out, measured out, because obviously there's too much hose. So he is cutting it right now to make sure it fits perfect, just like a glove. Then we'll check it out and see if it fits. Alright, we just tested it, it does fit. We're gonna get to the next one actually right now. This was the bottom one, that's gonna go right to this one, I think. Yeah, and the next one's gonna go from there to there, or something like that. Alright, we're up to the next part. As you can see, you got the clamps on already beforehand. And he is putting it on, as you can see. Look at that, fits like a glove. Like I said, this is very easy to do. It takes approximately 30 minutes to get this on. Obviously, when you have someone who knows what they're doing, you know, it goes way faster. But besides that, I'm pretty sure it's basically plug and play, I'd say, kinda. Done on. Looking good so far. Bam, let's take a look at the new wrap right now. Thing's hitting hard right now in the sun. What do you guys think? Throw it in the comments. Let me know what you think. I think it looks absolutely insane. I didn't really do a reveal on YouTube of it, but from the sides and everything, I mean, it's looking crazy right now. The sun's hitting hard. Absolutely love it. Look at that. Alright, second hose is on. As you can see, tightening it up right now. See how that goes. Seems to fit pretty good. We also marked this hose out too. He cut it. Make sure it's nice and tight. Looks good. You don't want all that extra hose in there. Looking good so far though. Damn, he's cranking him hard right now. What is going on? Yo, what is going on, my boy?
Gotta deal with what you got. No electric ratchets, yeah.
Look at that. Gotta make sure they're all tight. Not like Matt though, where it's over tightened. You know, Matt to be over tightening everything.
What happened?
Yeah, Matt over tightened the bolts on his front splitter. Cracked it. Done. Yeah. That side's on. Let's tighten up the other side real quick. Is it on good?
It's good.
All done? There it is. Complete. Alright, Mr. Jarrett. On a scale from 1 to 10, what would you give this install? 10 being the hardest.
Give it a solid 1.
1.
You know, very straightforward. You got some hand tools in your garage. You can easily do it. About a half hour. You know, a little bit more time because you got to remove this if you got the performance pack. But other than that, very easy.
Easy. Look at that. It gave it a 1. So basically anybody could do this. It's pretty easy. Get it from American Muscle. Check them out. C&L catch can. Thing's pretty dope. Looks good. Alright, cool. That is it. What do you guys say, Jarrett?
Gonna do the job now.
Bam. Done. Simple. Peace.